Good evening, my name is Youssef Eltuwaisy. I'm a 7th semester MIT student, and today I'm going to explain my embedded systems project. This is a simple robot car, and we've added some special features to it to help explorers discover life and sustain life in remote areas.
Good morning everyone, my name is Omar Ali and I am going to explain how this car would move. This car receives a Bluetooth signal from this Bluetooth transmitter module. It's called the HC05, and this Bluetooth chip gets an enable and VCC with 5 volts to operate the chip, and has 2 inputs, transmitter and receiver, which are the transmitter from the chip is the receiver in the module and the board, while the receiver in the chip is the transmitter from the board. And it's the 2 inputs are manipulated on the code by by serial 1 because they are connected to TX1 and RX1 ports in the chip.
Hi, my name is Omar. My role was to communicate the temperature and pressure sensor, this one. First, I begin with supplying the power to it by 3.3 volt using the CL and DA pins. Then supplying the results to the Arduino board using the DA and CL 20 and 21 pins in the Arduino board. Then the LCD shield reads prints the reading of the board to it. Also the results are printed on the LEDs. If it's green, the temperature is between 0 and 40. If it's blue, the temperature is below 0. If it's red, the temperature is above 40. Also for that pressure, if the LED is white, then the pressure is stable. Otherwise it will be yellow or orange.
There's also the edge bridge that is responsible for the car movement. It's connected to both the motors under the car and the simple battery box that has 6-volt batteries to help in moving the car. There is also a laser module that will help send a distress signal if something wrong happens.
And now we're going to operate the car. By connecting this wire to the ground, we're connecting to electricity all the components of the car. As we can see, the Bluetooth chip is already on and ready to connect. By pressing this connect to button, we have to connect to and we are connected. By pressing W, we are operating the car. Right, this, turn right, turn left, left and right, sorry, forward, stop.
Now we're gonna experience the temperature sensor. That's how the LCD shield reads the results. If we try to make it hotter, the temperature is increasing.
We also have these 6 LEDs that try to show the current weather conditions. We have the white LED, which is glowing now, means that the pressure is suitable for human life. There's also the green LED next to it. We also have the yellow and orange LEDs, which show the difference in pressure conditions. We also have the blue and red LEDs to show the temperature. The temperature and pressure readings are read on this LCD. We also have this laser module activated by pressing L on the keyboard, which helps send a distress beacon. We also have SOS spelled out in Morse code to help lost travelers find help. The edge bridge is connected to these wheels, and when it receives a signal in character form like W, it moves forward, S moves backwards,